Hi viewers, welcome to our channel IcanGardening. Are you looking to transform your space into a verdant oasis? Imagine bringing the beauty of nature right to your walls, effortlessly breathing life into any room or outdoor area. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of vertical gardening wall planters. From the wonders of how they work to the endless benefits they offer, we've got you covered. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting your gardening journey, stick around as we unveil the secrets to creating stunning vertical gardens that'll leave everyone green with envy. Get ready to elevate your space, unleash your creativity, and discover the joy of vertical gardening like never before. Let's dive in. Section 1. Understanding vertical gardening wall planters. Imagine strolling through a garden where vibrant flowers cascade down from walls, creating a tapestry of colors and scents that dance in the breeze. Now, picture bringing this enchanting garden into your own home or outdoor space, all thanks to the magic of vertical gardening wall planters. But how do these ingenious creations work, you may wonder? Well, let's peel back the layers and uncover the fascinating mechanics behind them. At their core, vertical gardening wall planters operate on a simple yet ingenious principle: gravity and hydroponics working hand in hand to nourish your plants from top to bottom. These clever contraptions typically feature a series of stacked trays or pockets, each carefully designed to hold soil or growing medium and allow water to trickle down through the layers, bathing the roots of your plants in a nutrient-rich cascade. But here's where the magic truly happens. Unlike traditional gardening methods where plants compete for space in the soil, vertical gardening wall planters offer each plant its own cozy nook to stretch out and thrive. This not only maximizes growing space, but also promotes healthier root systems and more bountiful harvests. And the best part? Vertical gardening wall planters are incredibly versatile, fitting seamlessly into any space. Whether you're cultivating a lush indoor oasis or adding a touch of greenery to a bare outdoor wall. With a bit of creativity and care, the possibilities are truly endless. So, whether you're dreaming of a blooming floral masterpiece or a lush herb garden at your fingertips, vertical gardening wall planters are the perfect canvas to unleash your green thumb and bring your botanical fantasies to life. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of vertical gardening, exploring the myriad benefits and boundless beauty these innovative creations have to offer. Section 2. Benefits and suitable plants for vertical gardening. Now that we've uncovered the inner workings of vertical gardening wall planters, let's delve into the myriad benefits they bring to both your space and your soul. First and foremost, vertical gardening wall planters are space-saving marvels, allowing you to cultivate lush greenery even in the most confined quarters. Whether you're living in a tiny apartment or dreaming of transforming a barren balcony into a botanical paradise, these vertical wonders make every inch count. But the benefits don't stop there. Vertical gardening wall planters also offer unparalleled versatility, giving you the freedom to design and customize your green space to suit your style and needs. From cascading flowers that add a pop of color to your walls to aromatic herbs that tantalize your taste buds, the possibilities are as endless as your imagination. And let's not forget about the environmental perks. By harnessing the power of vertical gardening, you're not just beautifying your space, you're also reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a healthier planet. With less land and water required compared to traditional gardening methods, vertical gardening is a sustainable solution for eco-conscious gardeners everywhere. But what about the plants themselves? Which ones are best suited for vertical gardening? Fear not, fellow green thumbs, for we have the inside scoop. When it comes to choosing plants for your vertical garden, the sky's the limit. From leafy greens and succulents to trailing vines and blooming flowers, there's a plant for every palate and preference. Just be sure to select varieties that thrive in your climate and lighting conditions, and you'll be well on your way to a thriving vertical oasis. So, whether you're seeking to maximize space, unleash your creativity, or simply reconnect with nature in the comfort of your own home, vertical gardening wall planters offer a world of possibilities waiting to be explored. Stay tuned as we continue our journey into the enchanting world of vertical gardening, uncovering even more tips, tricks, and inspiration to help you cultivate the garden of your dreams. Section 3: Installation and Maintenance Tips. Now that you're enchanted by the beauty and benefits of vertical gardening wall planters, it's time to roll up your sleeves and bring your botanical vision to life. But fear not, dear viewer, for we're here to guide you every step of the way. Let's start with the installation process. While it may seem daunting at first, rest assured that with a bit of planning and patience, anyone can become a vertical gardening guru. First, assess your space and choose a location that receives adequate sunlight and is easily accessible for watering and maintenance. Next, gather your materials and tools. Think sturdy brackets, lightweight containers, and of course, plenty of soil and plants. Once you've prepped your space and assembled your supplies, it's time to get down to business. Start by securing the brackets to your wall, making sure they're level and properly anchored for maximum stability. With the brackets in place, it's time to hang your containers and fill them with nutrient-rich soil or growing medium. As you plant, be sure to consider the needs of each species, arranging them strategically to ensure optimal growth and visual appeal. And just like that, your vertical gardening wall planter is ready to flourish. But the journey doesn't end here. Now comes the crucial task of maintenance. Regular watering is key to keeping your vertical garden happy and healthy, especially during hot summer months or dry spells. Be sure to check the moisture levels regularly and adjust your watering schedule as needed to prevent wilting or dehydration. In addition to watering, don't forget to prune and fertilize your plants to encourage robust growth and vibrant blooms. And be on the lookout for pests or diseases, tackling any issues promptly to keep your vertical garden thriving year-round. With a little love and attention, your vertical gardening wall planter will become a lush oasis that brings joy and beauty to your space for years to come. Stay tuned as we explore even more tips and tricks for maintaining your vertical garden and unlocking its full potential. Section 4: Materials and Space-Saving Solutions. As we embark on our journey into the world of vertical gardening, it's essential to gather the right materials to bring our botanical dreams to life. From sturdy brackets to lightweight containers, let's explore the building blocks of our vertical oasis. When it comes to containers for your vertical garden, the options are as diverse as the plants themselves. From traditional terracotta pots to modern fabric pockets and recycled containers, choose vessels that not only complement your aesthetic, but also provide ample space for your plants to thrive. Next up, let's talk brackets. These humble yet crucial components serve as the backbone of your vertical garden, providing support and stability for your containers. Whether you opt for wall-mounted brackets, freestanding frames, or DIY solutions, be sure to choose materials that can withstand the weight of your plants and the elements. And of course, we can't forget about soil and fertilizers. Choose high-quality potting mix or soil-less growing medium that's well-draining and nutrient-rich to provide a solid foundation for your plants to thrive. And don't skimp on the fertilizer's regular feeding. Will keep your vertical garden lush and vibrant year-round. Now let's talk space-saving solutions. One of the most remarkable benefits of vertical gardening is its ability to maximize growing space in even the tiniest of areas. Whether you're working with a cramped balcony, a narrow alleyway, or a compact indoor space, vertical gardening offers a solution that's as practical as it is beautiful. By harnessing the power of vertical space, you can transform even the most limited areas into lush green sanctuaries that soothe the soul and delight the senses. So whether you're a city dweller yearning for a touch of nature or a suburban gardener looking to make the most of your space, vertical gardening is the answer you've been searching for. With the right materials and a bit of creativity, you too can create a vertical oasis that's as stunning as it is sustainable. So let's roll up our sleeves, gather our supplies, and embark on this botanical adventure together. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of vertical gardening, uncovering even more tips, tricks, and inspiration to help you cultivate the garden of your dreams. Section 5. Design Ideas and Care Tips. Now that we've covered the basics of vertical gardening, let's dive into the exciting realm of design ideas and care tips. From bold and modern to whimsical and rustic, the possibilities for styling your vertical garden are endless. Let's start with the foundation of your vertical garden, the containers. Get creative with your choice of vessels, mixing and matching different shapes, sizes, and materials to add visual interest and dimension to your space. Think outside the box with unconventional options like repurposed crates, vintage tins, or even hanging shoe organizers for a truly unique look. Once you've selected your containers, it's time to play with plant placement. Experiment with different arrangements and groupings to create eye-catching displays that showcase the beauty and diversity of your botanical treasures. Mix trailing vines with upright specimens. Intersperse flowering plants with lush foliage. And don't be afraid to let your creativity run wild. But design isn't just about plants, it's also about the little details that bring your vertical garden to life. Add a touch of whimsy with decorative accents like fairy lights, garden ornaments, or hand-painted signs. These personal touches not only add charm and personality to your space, but also create a welcoming atmosphere that invites visitors to linger and admire your handiwork. Of course, no vertical garden is complete without proper care and maintenance. Keep your plants happy and healthy by watering regularly, pruning as needed, and fertilizing to encourage robust growth and blooming. And don't forget to monitor for pests and diseases, addressing any issues promptly to keep your garden thriving year-round. With a bit of creativity and care, your vertical garden will become a stunning focal point that transforms any space into a verdant oasis. So let your imagination soar, embrace your inner designer, and create a botanical masterpiece that's uniquely yours. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the world of vertical gardening, uncovering even more design ideas, care tips, and inspiration to help you cultivate the garden of your dreams. Conclusion. In conclusion, vertical gardening wall planters offer a world of possibilities for transforming any space into a lush and vibrant oasis. From understanding their inner workings to exploring the endless design ideas and care tips, we've uncovered the secrets to creating a botanical masterpiece that's uniquely yours. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting your green journey, we invite you to join us on this adventure and unleash your creativity with vertical gardening. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel, IcanGardening, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration to help you cultivate the garden of your dreams. Happy gardening!